How to open a trade? Let me close this one first. How to open a trade? Opening a trade, you go to your codes somewhere here, down here, and then you press there. As you can see, the indices, the codes there. If you want, it depends to what trade you want to open. Is it boom, or crash, volatility, jump index, or maybe range break? So I'm going to open boom 1000, and then as you can see, it's here. It's here. So what I'm going to do is just a long press, then go to new order. I can modify. I can change the lot size here, or I can put the take profit here by putting in the numbers, stop loss here before I buy or sell. Or just that. For this page, just that you can only change the lot size or the take profit or SL. Not always, you are not always advised to use stop loss or take profit. It's on your own. Sometimes you can leave it open. So I'm going to buy and then press down here. Down here, buy. You're done that way. For crash, the same again.